Hey guys, welcome back. We are at NMACC for another immersive journey. These magical experiences help us completely disconnect from reality. And if you have dreamt of visiting teamLab in Tokyo, Singapore, or Abu Dhabi, good news! The installations are a part of this exhibition right here in Mumbai. This is Second Nature by Super Blue. Zone 1 Random International. First thing that gets you these light installations, trace your silhouette as you move. Next to that is this piece is quietly photographing your face right now and printing it onto UV sensitive plywood. No warning, no countdown, you just appear. Zone 2 Team Lab. Flowers bloom, grow, wither constantly in real time, and they change based on how you move through the space. Stand still and they grow around you. Walk through and you disturb the blue. In this work, you walk into a field of pendulum-like light forms that glow and emit sound when touched or pushed, creating ripple effects across the room. Each glowing object senses your proximity, changing color and tone, then transmitting that change to nearby forms. So a single gesture can transform the whole space. We honestly spent the most time in this room. The more we played around, gently pushing and tapping the hanging forms, the more the space responded. Color shifted, soft sound traveled across the room, and suddenly it felt like our movements were composing the environment. We kept experimenting with different gestures, walking slowly, spinning, just to see how far the ripples of light and sound would go. It was one of those rare installations where you don't just pass through, you stay, play, and almost forget how long you have been inside because the artwork keeps changing with you. Zone 3 Nature and Weather. This is the moment everyone remembers. A white tree releasing these massive reflective soap bubble blossoms, and you're allowed to pop them. It's built on the idea of cherry blossom viewing, the shared fleeting moment you experience alongside strangers. Something beautiful appears, and it's gone the second you touch it. These are code-driven plants, projected but wired into real-time conditions. Sun, rain, wind. Actual Mumbai weather outside is quietly shaping what happens on this wall. And they react to you too. It's a strange loop. The monsoon outside is talking to the gallery, and I'm talking to both. Overall, it feels like stepping onto an alternate reality where you don't just view art, you become part of it. As light, sound, technology, and nature respond playfully to your every movement.